Alright, so we got plate 2. This might be part 2. Yeah, okay, so we got honey chicken. Then we got some more chicken. And then some California rolls. Let's try it. First up, let's try the honey chicken. Pretty good. Nothing too special about it. I give it a 6 out of 10. Alright, next up, let's try the sweet and sour chicken.
Oh yeah, communication's here. Like you can only contact Josh when it's work hours. Like during school hours, yeah.
Yeah,
Even if it's not a personal matter.
it's alright. I give that a 5 out of 10. Alright, next up, try the California roll.
The reason he found out was because Kathy's mom meets with his mom for lunch somewhere. She told his mom, and his mom did that. Then he
That's good.
because that's what he asked me.
I give that a
Hey, is your boyfriend been on?
7 out of 10. Yep. Alright.
This is like a day
That's it for part 2. Maybe a part 3. Who knows?
I've gone out.
Until next time.